Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some popular haircut ideas. So it looks like we're going to be seeing a pixie haircut transformation with this next one. So the stylist is just using the clippers to do the cut as well as the shears. Oh, love the two-tone coloring with this one, the blonde and then the black and then the beautiful side bangs. That pixie definitely had like a very kind of spikiness to it, very edgy feel. And then we move into a bob haircut transformation. So the client does have grown out hair color with this one, so she's probably going to be touching up the hair color as well. Oh wow, I'm really surprised that she didn't. She kind of has like the brassy blonde look going on and the exposed roots, but I love this bob. She did add a slight wave to it as well and an off-center part. And then we see a gorgeous pixie haircut with line detailing on the side. Then we move into another haircut transformation. So she's no doubt probably getting a lob with this one. So the stylist did go in and add some curls after he cut the hair. Beautiful off-center part with that one as well. Oh wow, this is a beautiful bob. The cut is perfectly framed around her face. Off-center part, slight bangs in the front. Loving the overall length with that one as well. And then we see another pixie undercut makeover. A lot of really precise cutting with this one. And then we see another faded haircut with the line detailing. This one has really intricate line work. Then we see another pixie undercut with pink, pop of pink there in the bang area. Loving the silver tone with that one, kind of platinum color as well. Oh, then we see this red hot transformation. Loving the bangs and the bob. Absolutely gorgeous. So she, of course, is going to be going from blonde to this beautiful red. Oh wow, I could not even tell that she had hair extensions. The stylist did a great job of adding this in. It looks so natural. Slight wave added as well. This is just gorgeous. Love the way the bangs frame her face as well. So then we move into another color transformation. Looks like the stylist added quite a few highlights with this one, and then they are going in and cutting the hair. So she ended up getting a bob and some highlights. Oh, the coloring is absolutely gorgeous. Added so much dimension to that haircut. Beautiful cut and color. So then we're seeing another color transformation with this next one. Oh, so beautiful highlights were added to this one as well. This particular stylist does beautiful highlights. It really adds dimension to the hair. The technique that they use is amazing, and they even left a little portion of the very back of the hair black, which really added even more dimension. Then we see this beautiful tapered curly cut with line detailing in the back. If you guys have been checking out some of my other videos, you will know that that haircut is very popular this season. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.